Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Let's talk about OSPF, or Open Shortest Path first. OSPF is a routing protocol that optimizes network performance by using a hierarchical structure. The network is divided into different areas to manage the distribution of routing information and reduce the size of routing tables. There are several types of OSPF areas, each with its own characteristics and purposes. First, we have the backbone area, also known as Area 0. This is the central area in an OSPF network, and all other areas must connect to it, either directly or through a virtual link. The backbone area is responsible for distributing routing information between non-backbone areas and can contain all types of LSAs, except for Type 4 and Type 7. Next is the standard area, sometimes referred to as a normal area. This type of area can contain all types of LSAs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It supports optimal routing because all routers within the area have complete information about all routes. Then, there's the stub area. Stub areas are designed to reduce the amount of routing information by blocking external LSAs, specifically Type 5. They only allow LSAs of Types 1, 2, and 3, and use a default route to reach external networks. We also have the totally stubby area. This is a more restrictive version of a stub area. Totally stubby areas block both external LSAs, Type 5, and summary LSAs, Type 3. They only allow LSAs of Types 1 and 2, along with a single Type 3 LSA that provides a default route. Lastly, there's the not-so-stubby area, or NSSA. NSSAs allow the injection of external routes into a stub area by using Type 7 LSAs. These Type 7 LSAs are converted to Type 5 LSAs by the area border routers, or ABRs, when they leave the NSSA. This area type is particularly useful for integrating external routes into an OSPF network without needing the full routing information of a standard area. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.